this is just going to be a bit of a weird random video, more of a test for something, but I need you to watch it and then have a look and tell me what you think. I haven't done a video all week because I've just been doing some stuff, sorting some stuff out, but in the meantime I had a bit of time to think about a couple of things, and I managed to find out the manual for this camera, the camera I always film on. And I had a look through it, and I had to download another part of a manual, but it had all the audio settings in it. So it's typical, after about 5 years of having this camera, I've only just had a look at the manual. And there's lots of settings you can do to sort out the horrible sound of the road outside. So I've tried to do that and sort it out. So what I'll do is I'll cut this video in a minute and we'll stand at the door, I'll open the door and you tell me whether you think it sounds better or not, or whether this, what I'm doing now, sounds too quiet or anything. Right, so we're still stood indoors at the minute, and this camera setting's got loads of different settings, different ones where you can change it can block out background noise, it can record more from the front of the camera, whatever. So this is it now, and normally when I open this door you'll really hear the noise badly, like really loud on most times. So that's it now, those settings. And this is me talking from this angle. I'll come in and close the door again. I'll see if I can find an old bit of video from the old way I used to do it, and I'll see if I can just put it in there now. That would have been how it sounded before. So have a listen to this, see what you think. If it's too quiet, I'll have to try and sort something out. Right, cheers for watching, and I'll see you later. If you like that video, then why don't you share it with your friends, and also if you want to see regular videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching. If you want to get full notifications for my channel, go to this little gear symbol next to where it says subscribed, click on that, and here where it says send me all notifications for this channel, click on that and then save it.